We're going to do 1AA, which is an introduction to equations. So some of this maybe will look familiar to you if you did any equation work in like pre-algebra. You've maybe seen some of this before, but it's a good refresher, and it's good if you haven't seen it to be introduced to it. The first thing we're going to just talk about is what is an equation? What makes something an equation? An equal sign, right? If something has an equal sign, it is an equation. So we call it a math sentence with an equal sign. A math sentence with an equal sign. So there's going to be 3 different equation types that you could work with. I'm going to give you the 3 and then tell you what all 3 of them are. So you could have a true equation. You could have a false equation. Or you can have what's called an open equation. What does it mean for something to be true?
It's true.
It's right, okay? If it's true, it's right. What they did was right. It's true. So for a true equation, it's going to be set up that both sides of the equation are equal. Okay? Both sides of your equation are equal if it's true. When it's false, what do you suppose is going to happen then? If when it's true, they're both equal, what's going to happen when it's false? They're not equal, okay? So a false equation is going to be when both sides are not equal. Okay, and then there's what's called an open equation, and it's open because we don't know if it's equal or not at this point. What happens is it's going to contain one or more variables, so it contains one or more variables. And can be true or false, depending on the values of your variables. Okay, so open is going to look different than the true and false ones. All right, so I'm going to give you 7 examples here of equations and see if you can tell me, is it true, is it false, or is it an open equation? Okay, so true, false, or open is what you're telling me. And then I want to know why it would be what you say it is. That is a question mark, sorry, messy. All right, so this first one. Let's say I give you 26 plus 5 equals 22 plus 9. Would you say that's true, false, or open?
That's open. That's true. It's false.
Yep, those are the 3 options. What's 26 plus 5?
31.
31.
It's true.
What's 22 plus 9?
31.
31, right? So 31 equals 31. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yes, so this is a true equation because the 2 sides equal each other. Okay, so that is a true equation. That was one of the answers you gave me. How about this one? 9 times 6 equals 54. True, false, or open?
That's false.
Why? Do you guys know the 9 trick?
Yeah.
No. 9.
If you put down your 6th finger, 9 times 6 is 54. You put down your second finger. 9 times 2 is 1/8, right? 9 times 4 is 36.
Which finger to put down?
Oh, wait, how do you do it?
Okay, look, 9 times 1. So you put down your first finger. Your answer is 9. 9 times 1 is 9, right? 9 times 2, put down your second finger. Your answer is 1/8, 18. 9 times 2, your second finger, is 1/8, 18.
20.
Put down your third finger. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36.
I don't need to use it.
9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. Right? Does that make sense? It's a good little trick. Okay, so anyway, 9 times 6, put down your sixth finger. Is it 54?
Yes.
Yes, it's 54. So because 54 equals 54, we would say this is true. Okay. How about 7 times 3 is 24?
False.
False. 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 does not equal 24. So we would say that's false. Okay, not true. Y'all right there?
Yeah.
All right, how about this one? 3x minus 9 equals 21. True, false, or open?
That's open.
That's
That's
false.
open, right? Because we don't know what x equals. So if x is, well, let's see, what would it be? If x is 10, it would be true. But if x is 11, it would be false, okay? So we call this open because we don't know if those two sides are equal right now, okay? All right, how about this one? Take your time and think about this one. X plus x equals 2x. True, false, or open?
That's true.
It's true. A lot of people will want to say open because it has variables in it, right? But what's x plus x?
2.
2x. So does 2x equal 2x? Yes,
Yes.
it has to, right? So this would be true. Okay. How about this one? 9 equals 5 minus 2x. True, false, or open?
That's open.
That is open because we can plug something in for x and it will be true, but we can also plug something in for x and it will be false. Okay? So this is open. Last one of these. If I do 27 minus 3 equals 8 times 8. True, false, or open?
That's false.
That is false. 27 minus 3 is 24, and 24 does not equal 64, right? 8 times 8, so that would be false. Okay, any questions on those? Okay. Last thing we're going to talk about in this half of the lesson is a solution to an equation. And a solution to an equation is basically saying any value of a variable that makes the equation true. Okay, so any value of a variable what are variables?
Letters.
The letters, the placeholders, right? That make the equation the equation true. Would be a solution, okay? So I'm gonna give you an equation and say, is this number a solution? So let's say this is example 2. I'm going to ask the question, is x equals 6 a solution, that's a u, sorry, to 32 equals 2x plus 12. Okay, so is 6 a solution?
No,
What do you suppose you're going to do with that?
you plug it in.
You plug it in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that 6 and we're going to replace the x with 6. So basically is 32 equal to 2 times 6 plus 12?
No,
No. This is 32 equals 12 plus 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. And 24 does not equal 32, so is it a solution? We would say no, this is a false equation. Okay? What about this one? Is m equals 1/2 a solution? Shorthand for solution for me is SLON. So when you see me write SLON, that's solution, okay? So is m equals 1/2 a solution to 6m minus 8 equals -5? Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to plug that in and work it out and tell me what you think. Do you think that's a solution? All right, let's check it out. So we have 6 times m, and m is 1/2, so 6 times 1/2 minus 8 equals -5. What's 6 times 1/2?
3.
3, right? 6 over 2, which we would reduce to 3. So we're doing 3 minus 8 equals -5. What's 3 minus 8?
-5.
-5. So -5 equals -5.
It's true.
That would be true. Okay, so is it a solution? Your answer would be yes, it is a solution because it's a true equation. Okay, one more of those. What if x equals 5 and our equation is 16 equals 4 times x minus 4? Okay, so if we plug 5 into that, is 5 a solution to this equation?
No. Oh, wait, yes. Don't you? Yes.
So if we plug it in, 16 equals 4 times 5 minus 4. What's 4 times 5?
20.
20 minus 4. What's 20 minus 4?
16.
16. So because 16 equals 16, we would say yes, this is a true equation. So it is, x equals 5 is an answer, a solution. Okay? Questions on that?